Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a letter journal notebook. So it definitely uses like a regular notebook, but it's definitely very unique. So the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, Bedsure. But I'll actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you can definitely see how it's all nicely wrapped right here. So let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take off the wrapper, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So you can see the product right here definitely looks really cool and very unique. It's kind of giving me like Harry Potter vibes or something because of the way how to design it. But definitely when you guys feel material on here, it feels really nice and very soft as well. Like I mentioned earlier, the material that they use on here is a leather material. So this is basically what the product looks like in the front. If we turn in the back, this is what it actually looks like in the back. If you guys look on the side right here, this is what it actually looks like on the side. So basically the way how you guys open it is by taking this part out like this. Unraveling like that, and you basically want to just open up like this. And once you guys open up the notebook, this is basically what the inside looks right here. So you can definitely see the way how the design is actually really cool. Like I mentioned earlier, once I open up the actual product, it definitely gives me like Harry Potter vibes or whatever. So basically for the whole entire product here is a 5x7. So for this product, they actually have it available in two different sizes. So you have the 5x7 option, or you guys have 6x8. The one that we got right here, like I mentioned, it is a 5x7. And for all the paper right here, it has lines on here for you guys to write stuff, like a journal or something. If you can see on top right here, they do have this option for you guys to write the date as well. So you can definitely use like a journal, which is pretty cool. But definitely when you guys flip through the pages right here, it definitely works really, really well. There's a total of 200 pages on here. And basically once you guys are done using it, you guys can close it back up like this and just wrap it back up like this. And there's it all set. So that is basically everything that's on the product here. If you can see, the overall design of the product definitely looks pretty nice and actually works really, really well. So if you guys want to use this like a journal or like a diary, or if you guys want to use like a recipe book or something, you could basically use it however you guys want to. But definitely the overall design of the product actually looks very unique. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Not a unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality notebook that has like the leather material on here to give you guys kind of like a Harry Potter vibe, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.